Well, we started at the very beginning in the key of A, then we went to B minor. Last week we made some jazzy sounds in the key of C. So today let's continue this improvising series in the beautiful D minor. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here every Thursday. Please subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. Well, let's check out a simple progression that has 5 beautiful chords, and I'll also give you 5 hacks to help you to bring it all together. The first hack for a beautiful progression is that we can look at a stepping bass line, and in this case an ascending bass line, one that's going up as well. So let's go from the low D down here, step up, hold there, then step to the G, and then we're going to end on the B flat there. Next, let's put some chords over the top, and I'm just going to block them together at the moment. So by blocking our chords, that's another easy way to work out an improvisation and just to outline your chord structure. So D minor, step up to C on an E bass, F chord, then we're going to step up to G minor, and then over to B flat. The next hack we're going to look at is actually playing them as broken chords. So I'm going to break them in 2 different ways. The first way is if we break it with the top 2 notes playing together to the thumb. So you can think of it rocking there to make the sound nice and even on the piano. Or we can think of falling down and then lifting up really gently with the thumb. We don't want to play with our thumb bashing out there. That won't be as nice. So let's go together, and over our D bass note you can play octaves, or you can play a single low D if you like. So we might do it with our 5 and 3 thumb. 5 and 3 thumb. Then we're going to block, and then to the F position there. Now with the F position we'll do our second way of making a broken chord, and let's do that by playing our pinky and our finger 1 down to our middle finger. So those ones together, rocking that way this time. And we'll do 4 of those. So from the start now, let's do our first broken chord. Our next pattern will feature an arpeggio line with the left hand down from our G. So we're going to come over, play that beautiful arpeggio in the left hand, and to practice it you can go up and all the way down if you want. So we'll block that over the top. The next feature is with adding a 2 chord there in the right hand. So we're going to come down from, instead of just playing a G minor, that's a bit of a cartwheel, we've got that D down the bottom, we're going to add in an A there as well to make that G minor chord there. And then we're going to come over to our B flat pattern. And like the first broken chord, let's put our top 2 notes together, rocking side to side there. Okay, so let's put that all into a bit of a run through and put those 5 chords together, including all those different hacks, and then we might mix it around and do a bit of a blend of all those different ideas and have a go at your own improvisation too. thanks so much for joining me today. Have a play with those 5 different hacks and see what progression you can come up with. And let me know any further video ideas that you might like to request as well. Have a great week. Ta-da.